1936 Bentley 4¼ litre saloon by Park Ward. Price, $49,950. Location, Florida, USA. The 1936 Bentley 4¼ litre saloon by Park Ward is a breathtaking reminder of an era when luxury automobiles were handcrafted, masterpieces rather than mass-produced machines. Nearly 90 years after it first rolled onto the road, this remarkable Bentley still commands attention with its elegant styling, distinguished presence, and unmistakable British character. For collectors and enthusiasts alike, discovering a pre-war Bentley like this is like uncovering a hidden treasure from automotive history. The exterior immediately captures the imagination with its stunning two-tone finish. Dark green fenders blend beautifully with the black upper body, creating a sophisticated appearance that reflects the prestige Bentley was known for during the 1930s. The iconic radiator grille, Lucas headlamps, chrome accents, and classic wire wheels all contribute to a design that remains timeless. Every angle of this automobile tells a story of craftsmanship, elegance, and engineering excellence that has survived through generations. The interior is equally impressive, offering passengers a glimpse into the golden age of motoring. Rich dark green upholstery is complemented by period-correct walnut wood trim, creating an atmosphere of refinement and luxury. The tilting windshield, four-spoke steering wheel, bucket-style front seats, and Webasto sunroof showcase the thoughtful engineering that made Bentley one of the world's most respected luxury car manufacturers. Sitting inside feels less like entering a vehicle and more like stepping into a rolling piece of history. The heart of this Bentley is its legendary inline six-cylinder engine equipped with dual SU carburetors. Power is delivered through a four-speed manual transmission, offering drivers an authentic connection to one of the most celebrated driving experiences of the pre-war era. Additional features such as drum brakes, hood ventilation panels, turn signals, and right-hand drive configuration preserve the vehicle's original British identity. Even by modern standards, the mechanical design remains fascinating to automotive historians and collectors. The rarity of this automobile cannot be overstated. Many vehicles from the 1930s have disappeared over time, making surviving examples increasingly valuable. Coach-built by the renowned Park Ward, this Bentley represents a period when luxury cars were custom-crafted with extraordinary attention to detail. Every panel, every trim piece, and every design element reflects a level of artistry rarely found in today's automotive world.